Wow. How about that? Nice one. So my neighbor just told me recently about this mole that has been up in this area. I've caught several moles up here. I titled the video something about the Cedar Grove, and it's a mound that's got some cedar trees on it. And I've been watching them and been walking them down, but haven't had a good opportunity like this. So it's been so dry, but with the rain this morning, it's a great time to go out and to look for moles, because once that ground gets soft, the worms start moving, the moles start moving, they're hungry, and it's a great way to catch your mole. Anyway, man, I would love to teach you how to catch these things. So check out some of my videos and I'll teach you how to catch your moles. God bless you all from the MOLiminator.